Hello, this is the third video. I kind of feel like drawing something today, but I kind of want to not know what that's gonna be, so that's where he comes in. He's out of frame, but he's there, like Jesus.
Are you gonna start every video by number? This is the third video.
Yeah,
this
how
is
else
the
am I gonna
fourth
keep
video.
track? Yeah.
Hi, this is my 1700th video.
Bold of you to assume that I'm gonna be
Oh, you're
consistent
not making
for
it past 10.
1700.
You're gonna give up at like 11.
Wow! So basically, I've seen a couple of these drawing challenge things where you have like a random shape and you have to like make something out of it.
So I pick a shape.
Yes.
And you turn the shape into something.
Things, yes.
So, I'm definitely cut off here because I'm a tall human in that one. Well, this one already has the answers.
No, that's what someone else has done. They're not the answers.
I mean, you could do better than this person.
Okay, you need to not be rude to these people right now.
I'm gonna draw my own shapes.
Please don't do that.
If you hate them, you can veto them, but you're
Okay.
gonna like them. Alright, I want the record to... Really?
What?
I'm here!
Oh. Hello.
You are so bad at this!
You didn't tell me I was supposed to.
Alright, are you ready? I feel like I did pretty good.
I'm scared.
It's nowhere near as bad as you think it's gonna be. That looks like a ditto. That looks like a Bert. And that kind of looks like a Chuck. I'm gonna name him Chuck.
You're not allowed to name our children, by the way. So immediately, this one's the only one that I've got like a decent idea of what I want to do. It could be something else. This was my first idea. It may not end up in being that. But every video that I've watched of people doing this, they go through like 3 different ideas before they settle on one.
Okay.
So for the second one,
What is that?
it might be too boring. It's a little ghost. This one's gonna be a little bit more difficult. There's some ideas. There's some thoughts.
So what you going with?
I feel like it's too safe. I feel like it should be something else that's not that,
So you felt like you were going too easy?
Yeah. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now.
So what are you making right now?
Just a little dude wearing a backpack. Do you not want to be looking at these while I'm doing them?
I do.
I don't even know if I'm in camera here.
I mean, you don't really have to be in shot.
You said to sit next to you!
Right, to talk to me, so... You serious? Why? Why don't you just chew rocks?
I felt like mini wheats. Come here, be in the video, but don't eat mini wheats. Be more specific next time.
I feel like I should paint these off camera because it's taken enough time as is.
Oh, you're painting them too?
I mean, I guess I don't have to.
No, that would make them look nice.
I look real good, I guess. Let's make it a girl monster and just give her a little pigtails
That's nice.
and some lashes.
Yeah, that added some character.
Her name's Judy. She did something and got a ribbon. I don't know. What is Judy like? What's Judy's thing?
Judy is all about Breaking Bad
No, Judy is not about Breaking Bad.
and Hubba Bubba.
Judy likes emoticons. She's a big emoticon fan.
Does she like the Emoji Movie?
Oh yeah, it's her favorite movie.
Wow.
She's
I don't know if me and Judy could be friends.
I feel like that's not enough keychains. I feel like Judy's thing is like keychains.
Okay.
Keychains and emoticons. Judy needs more keychains. One of those obnoxious poof balls that has no purpose but people buy anyway. That's Judy. I really want to give her a tutu now. Can I do that without ruining anything? I think so. I think I can.
She's wearing a tutu and sandals.
Leave Judy alone. Judy's got a lot of feelings. It's me, I'm Judy.
I could see you wearing a tutu and sandals.
I'll wear my tutu, but I'm not taking off my sandals.
I think that's how she sounds too.
There are support sandals.
She's got orthopedic problems.
I meant more like emotional support,
Oh.
but...
Her emotional support.
Mom, I got a ribbon at school today.
Yeah.
from my ballet.
Oh, that makes sense.
Nice, honey. Did you win? No. It's for participation. It says tried you. I don't know who you is, but he sure tried. Stole his ribbon.
So there's Judy.
Next. What?
That's what they said in the ballet too.
Next.
Well, next I need these. So.
You mind, Simon?
He doesn't mind at all.
Pulling your butt off of the...
They're mine! No.
Mine, he says.
Simey! Mine! Simey! No!
Ugh. You'll get lead poisoning. Stop that. What are you thinking for that one?
I like the ghost idea, but I just had a better one that's still a ghost.
Skateboarding ghost?
Yeah.
That's cool. You like that one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so he has radical 90s shades.
He's got some shades on. He's got a little hat.
What's his hat say?
I don't know yet.
Maybe it's from Buc-ee's.
That would make sense.
Y'all don't know about no Buc-ee's, huh? Finest gas station this side of Texas. You get your beaver nuggets.
I don't know what accent you're trying to do, but it's...
Don't skip out on them beaver nuggets either. Nutritious and delicious.
They are not nutritious in any way. His little legs are sticking out. He's got little hairs on his legs.
So it's a self-portrait. Oh, I didn't know he was falling. I thought he was doing a sick jump.
No, I tripped. Everybody's like, look at Kyle, he's doing a sick jump. But Kyle's like, I'm in a bust my hair.
So he's not actually a ghost. He's a guy in a ghost outfit.
Well, see, ironically, Kyle died wearing the ghost costume, so now he's a ghost.
He died?
Of it.
Is
Yeah.
this him mid-death? That's a bit morbid.
this is just he's doing skateboarding on his spare time
Moments
now.
before his death.
No.
Oh, he died and now this is him living his best afterlife.
Yeah. Should have made the skateboard broken in half, but I didn't. Kind of looks like a baguette.
That's even more like a baguette. That's
I'm leaning into it. He's
way
skating
more
on
like a baguette than before.
He's skating on a baguette. So that's Kyle.
Well, you know what they say about skating in a ghost costume?
Tie your shoes?
You baguette what's coming to you. Because it's a baguette.
Ah. Should have made some board made of beaver nuggets. Just put a big bag of beaver nuggets.
I mean, maybe he should have a little bag of beaver nuggets that he's dropping. My beaver nuggets! I done and dropped my beaver nuggets. I can't believe it. Buc-ee's did not sponsor this video, by the way.
Buc-ee's is going to ban us.
If you're not from here and you don't know what Buc-ee's is, it's a magical place.
Drawing a very crude rendition of a beaver on the bag. Oh, you wanted him to be holding some nuggets, right?
No, I wanted nuggets like falling out the bag or something, but you've sealed it, so I don't know if, well, okay, that works.
Suggests that nuggets have fallen out.
Maybe he hit a nugget too, and that's what sent him off course.
Well, we'll never know. Okay, last one. Okay, I don't want to make a lapras out of it.
You know what I see?
What do you see?
I see an ear, I see a snout, I see a
shell?
That's it from there. No.
Some would say a lapras.
It could be it. My knees hurt.
Okay, so, goth bird.
Is it done?
Yeah.
I thought you were gonna do a little worm on a hook or something.
I don't know. I was gonna put like an umbrella
Oh, how's he holding on to an umbrella?
with his other hand.
It's so much better with the umbrella. Now he's all like, I have my tiny umbrella. I'm going to the market to get me some new spiked bracelets. I'll be back within the hour, mother.
But he's from Brooklyn.
Benny, I told you to get me some tomatoes.
I shall purchase your red fruits of the ground. I shall be right back, mother.
We're done. Okay, so we got Vinny.
Which one's your favorite one? I like the ghost. He's my favorite.
Shove her out of the way.
No, she's nice. What's her name? Girdle? Gertie?
No.
Gert?
Her
Yeah.
name's Judy.
How'd you do? You did good? Did you do good? Did you do good?
I think so. I don't know. I was gonna paint them, but then I was like, eh. So this being in shot just makes no sense now, but hey, it's fine.
See, lie. There was color. It suggested there would be color
You can
in
color
the
them.
future.
Color them in your own time.
This is my own time.
No, it's our time.
Our
Why did
time.
I say that like
Oh,
that?
is it our time? Oh, I'm so sorry.
Quit it!
Golly, I had no idea.
Later that same evening.
I wasn't sure if I was gonna paint these, and then I decided, yes, I wanna paint these, so here's a montage of that happening.
Cue the happy music. Wow, they look so good. I'm glad you painted them.
Yeah, I'm glad I did that too, because they look a lot better.
Hey, what are you watching over there?
Uh,
They look really good. I like them. You've made.
Yeah.
I didn't mind the bird, but now I like him even more. You've given him some personality.
I feel better about it now than when I started, because had I done these,
Yeah, those were lame.
yeah.
Get rid of those.
Alright, well, that was the thing. I always do this every time I need to like end something. I'm just like,
I do it as well. I don't know how to end videos. Bye.
so we made some things and some things happened and I don't know.
Ah!
Oh! A casualty! Put him back. I hope you guys like this. If you like it a lot, I'll do it again. I have a couple things planned for Halloween, but I'm not going to tell you what they are in case they don't happen, because that's just, I know who I am as a person. So, I'll see you guys.